Hello students, hope you all are fit and fine. Today we will start our next chapter, shapes and angles. इस चैप्टर में हम shapes और angles के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. First, come to shapes. Look at these shapes. What is the difference between these shapes? क्या तुम इनके डिफरेंस बता सकते हो? Look at this shape. This shape start with this point and end with this point. Like this shape start with this point and end with this point. But when we look at square, we see this shape start with this point and also end with the same point. What is the difference between this shape and this shape? In this shape, the starting point and the ending point are the same, but in this shape the starting point and the ending point are different. Like this, the starting point and the ending point are different. But when we see at star, the starting point, if we start from this point, we will find the ending point also the same. Okay, when look at this picture, if we start from this point and we draw this picture, we find the same ending point. If we start from this point, the ending point also will be the same. Now look at the types of shapes. There are two type of shapes, closed shapes and open shapes. Closed shapes क्या होती हैं? Those shapes whose starting point and ending point are same. जिस शेप का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट और एंडिंग पॉइंट दोनों सेम होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? क्लोज्ड शेप. एंड दो शेप हुज स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एंड एंडिंग पॉइंट आर डिफरेंट. और जिस शेप के स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट और एंडिंग पॉइंट अलग अलग होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ओपन शेप. अभी कुछ उदाहरण एग्जांपल्स के साथ हम इसको समझेंगे. Closed shapes. Here are few examples of closed shape. Look at this shape. This is square. If we start from this point, this is the start. This is the starting point, and this will be the ending point also. If we start from this point, this is the starting point and also will be the ending point. Like this. In this, if we start from any point from this point, if we start and draw this shape, after this we will get the ending point will be the same. Look at the shape triangle. This is the starting point. If we draw triangle, this will be also the ending point. Now come to open shapes. The example of open shapes. Look at this shape. This is closed shape? No, this is not a closed shape because its ending point and starting point are different. If we start from this point, this is the starting point and this will be the ending point. In star, if we start from this point, this will be the ending point. In triangle, we start from this point and the ending point will be the different. So what is the difference between start closed shape and open shape? The difference is between these shapes are starting and ending point. If the starting and ending points are same, it will be closed shape. If the starting and ending point are different, it will be the open shape. Now move to textbook. In your textbook, chapter 2, रोहिणी एंड मोहिनी आर ट्विन सिस्टर। दो रोहिणी और मोहिनी दो जुड़वा बहनें हैं। दे वर प्लेइंग विद मैस्टिक्स, वो मैस्टिक्स के साथ खेल रही हैं। वन डे सैला गेव दैम ए चैलेंज, सैला ने उनको एक चैलेंज दिया टू मेक ए शेप, एक शेप ड्रॉ करने के लिए विद मैस्टिक्स, मैस्टिक्स के साथ। रोहिणी मेड दिस शेप, रोहिणी ने ये शेप ड्रॉ की। लुक एट दिस शेप वेरी केयरफुली, इस शेप को अच्छे से देखो बेटा। विच टाइप ऑफ शेप इज दिस, क्लोज्ड और ओपन? This is a closed shape because its starting and ending point is the same. If we start from this point, अगर हम यहाँ से start करते हैं तो इसका ending point same होगा। अगर हम यहाँ से start करते हैं तो इसका ending point will be the same as starting point. So this is the closed shape. How many sides are there? इसमें कितने sides हैं? काउंट करो, 1 2 3 4 5 6। There are 6 sides. Now move to Mohini. Mohini made this shape. Look at this shape very carefully. This is closed or open shape? This is also a closed shape because if we start from any point, the starting and ending point will be the same. If we start from this point, this is the starting point, and if we start draw this shape, ending point will be the same. So it is also a closed shape. How many sides are there? Count, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It has also 6 sides. Did Rohini and Mohini made the same shapes? Look again. The shapes of Rohini. This is the shape of Rohini and this is the shape of Mohini. Did Rohini and Mohini made the same shape? No. But both of them made closed shape with same number of sides or matchsticks. रोहिणी और मोहिनी ने सेम नंबर ऑफ 6 साइड से क्लोज शेप बनाई है, दोनों ने क्लोज शेप बनाई है, लेकिन वो दोनों सेम नहीं है। क्यों? सला आस्क, सो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ शेप्स? तो उन दोनों शेप्स के अंदर क्या डिफरेंस है? दे सेड दे डोंट नो, उन्होंने कहा कि हमें नहीं पता, दे डोंट नो। देन सैला टोल्ड देम द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द शेप्स इज ऑफ एंगल। दोनों शेप्स के बीच का जो डिफरेंस है वो एंगल है। एंगल्स की वजह से दोनों शेप्स डिफरेंट हैं। नाउ यू आर थिंकिंग व्हाट इज एन एंगल? अब आप सोच रहे हो कि एंगल क्या होता है। यस, वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द एंगल्स इन पार्ट 2, शेप्स एंड एंगल्स। ओके।